Mumbai, the capital city of the Indian state of Maharashtra. It's India's largest city. It is the most populous city in India and the fourth most populous city in the world. Mumbai is located on the west coast of India. It is also home to Bollywood, the Hindi film industry. The city has a rich history, having been ruled by various empires and dynasties. Let's know some top attractions and best time to visit Mumbai. So please watch this video till the end. The Elephanta Caves are a group of ancient rock-cut caves located on Elephanta Island, which is situated in Mumbai Harbour, about 10 kilometers east of Mumbai. The caves are believed to have been created between the 5th and 8th centuries CE during the period of the Kalachuri dynasty. The Elephanta Caves are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Starting from the north of Nariman Point and ending at the famous Chowpatty beach, the Marine Drive is a 3-kilometer-long arc-shaped road along the seacoast of South Mumbai. The coast lines the Arabian Sea and is the best place to watch the sunset in Mumbai. The Gateway of India is an iconic monument located in the city of Mumbai. It was built during the British Raj era in 1924 to commemorate the visit of King George V and King Mary to the city. The monument is situated on the waterfront in the Apollo Bunder area of Mumbai and serves as a major tourist attraction. The Prince of Wales Museum was built to commemorate the visit of King George V, then the Prince of Wales, to India in 1905. The museum was opened to the public in 1922 and is one of the premier art and history museums in India. The Prince of Wales Museum is a popular tourist attraction and a center for art and culture in Mumbai. Haji Ali Dargah is a mosque and tomb located in Mumbai. The Dargah is situated on a small island in the Arabian Sea and is accessible via a narrow causeway that connects it to the mainland. The mosque was built in the 15th century in memory of Sufi saint Pir Haji Ali Shah Bukhari, who is believed to have drowned at the spot where the Dargah is located. The current structure of the Dargah was built in 1916. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus is a historic railway station located in Mumbai. It was built in 1887 in the Victorian Gothic style of architecture. The railway station is declared as a World Heritage Site by the UNESCO. The station was named after the Maratha king Chhatrapati Shivaji. Kanheri Caves is a group of rock-cut caves located in the Sanjay Gandhi National Park. The caves were carved out of a basaltic rock formation and are believed to have been used as Buddhist monasteries and places of worship from the 1st century BCE to the 10th century CE. Mahakali Caves are a group of 19 rock-cut Buddhist caves located in the western part of Mumbai. These caves date back to the 6th century and are believed to have been constructed during the rule of Maurya Empire. These caves were initially used as monasteries by Buddhist monks. The best time to visit Mumbai is between November and February, when the weather is relatively cooler and less humid. During this time, the average temperature ranges from 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, which is quite pleasant for outdoor activities and sightseeing. Please leave a comment about Mumbai and subscribe the channel to stay with us.